You are listening to Drift Back into Sleep. This session is designed to guide you into a deep trance that resembles natural sleep while also teaching your unconscious a way to slip back into slumber whenever you wake at night. When your mind learns there is no reason to stay alert, no payoff for waking, the pattern of deep, unbroken sleep returns naturally. Now, the relaxation process you are about to enter follows the same pathways your mind naturally uses when drifting into sleep. It allows your awareness to gently move from the outer world of sights and sounds toward the inner world of imagination and feeling so that you can settle into comfort and ease night after night. And as you begin to release tension, your focus shifts from outside concerns to the quiet pictures and sensations of your inner world. And as you go deeper, you may notice that when you fall asleep, it's not that the mind turns off, rather, it shifts into different states. The everyday conscious mind takes a step back, while other parts of you begin to repair, to learn, to dream, and to restore. And right now, you might simply choose a spot in the room to let your eyes rest upon. If your eyes are closed, you can gently open them just for a moment and allow your gaze to settle on one particular point. Perhaps a place on the wall, the ceiling, or even just a patch of shadow. Even in the darkness, that spot can hold your focus. That's right, just let your eyes rest there for a moment. Then allow them to close again, while in your mind you can zoom in on that spot, as though you could magnify it in your imagination, maybe even sense what its surface might feel like beneath your fingertips. And then, once more, you can open your eyes gently and let them fall back upon the same spot. And as you look, notice three things in your field of vision. Perhaps a line of furniture, a corner of light, or a soft shape against the wall. Notice them one by one. And when you have done that, you can allow your eyes to close again, easily, comfortably. That's right, and now with eyes closed, simply listen for three different sounds around you. They could be faint noises from outside, the rhythm of your breath, or the gentle tick of a clock. Notice them now as you sink deeper still. That's right, and then pay attention to three sensations you can feel in this moment. The weight of your body supported, the softness of the bed, the temperature of the air against your skin. Just noticing these feelings now as you relax even more deeply. Your eyes can remain softly closed as you let your mind imagine opening them once again, gazing at that same spot. But this time, picture it at another time of day, or even in another season, perhaps morning light, or the softer glow of dusk. Notice how the light, the shadows, the colors shift and change. Well done. And in that imagined scene, notice three more things you can see. Another detail, a different shade, a new shadow. That's right. And now imagine three sounds you might hear at that time. Perhaps birds in summer, rain in autumn, or the stillness of night. Notice how different sounds emerge in this new scene. And then simply become aware of three new sensations you might feel there: the temperature of the air, the way your body is positioned, the warmth or coolness around you. That's right. And as you continue to relax, drifting even further down, you can begin to sense the feeling that arises just before sleep. Those fleeting glimpses of dreamlike images forming just at the edge of awareness. Perhaps for a moment you notice a wide green meadow, grass swaying in the breeze. Then let it fade and see in its place the glow of a sunset over the ocean, colors blending and reflecting upon the waves. Let that image soften and fade too, and notice instead a bird gliding high above, tracing graceful arcs in the sky. Simply watching its movements. There is no effort needed, nothing to force. Your unconscious is already guiding you toward a deep, restful sleep. The body knows this rhythm well, and the mind can follow naturally. So you may imagine the sound of waves gently washing onto the shore, steady and soothing, lulling you further down. Or sense the soft notes of music carried on the breeze, floating lightly. You might picture leaves rustling in the trees, the wind whispering through them. And you can even recall the sense of touching the rough bark of a tree, solid, firm, grounding, or imagine the gentle bend of a branch in your hand, flexible yet resilient, or the cool smoothness of a leaf between your fingers. That's right. Well done. And as winter approaches, some animals instinctively know when it is time to curl up and rest. As days grow shorter and the air grows colder, they retreat into safe, quiet places and allow their bodies to slip into deep hibernation. Their minds and bodies surrender fully, and even if storms rage outside, they continue to sleep soundly. Sometimes those creatures stir just briefly, half awake for a moment only to drift straight back into the deepest rest, forgetting they ever awoke at all. And when the season changes, they emerge refreshed as though no interruption had ever occurred. Your unconscious mind can guide you in the same way, helping you rest soundly, deeply, peacefully each and every night. That's right. That's it. And the more often you allow yourself this process, the more natural and easy it becomes. Sleep is part of your nature, something built in. All you need to do is let it happen as smoothly and instinctively as breathing. So if you wake for a moment, you can allow the conscious mind to step aside, trusting that the deeper part of you knows exactly how to return you to rest, naturally, automatically, without effort. Well done. And now you can simply imagine yourself floating gently on the waves of your inner mind, drifting into dreams, not needing to know what they hold, only that they carry you deeper and deeper still. That's right, just floating. That's right, just dreaming. That's right, just sleeping.